Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In today's episode, we will be learning how to change video quality on Viki. To change the video quality on your Viki account, first of all, launch the Viki app open on your device by tapping its icon on your home screen. Once you're inside the home page, make sure to log into your account as well. Now, choose the show or movie you want to watch and start playing it. Make sure to full screen your video playback. And once you are inside the full screen mode, tap anywhere on the screen to bring up the playback options. Now, tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and you will then be able to see several options from where you need to choose video quality. From the video quality settings page, select your preferred video quality. In my case, I only have the standard and high option, but if you have other options such as auto, low, or medium, you can make sure to choose one of the quality options that suits your preference. If you want to go ahead and watch in high quality, then you will need to subscribe to Viki Pass. If you haven't done so already, make sure to do it right now so that you can change your video quality to highest. After you make a selection, the video will automatically adjust to the selected quality. If you are on a slower internet connection, choose a lower quality to avoid buffering. So that is how you can easily change video quality on Viki application. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Wake&Tech for more tutorials like this. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.